Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can stake your Pi or your Pi coins on your Pi wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, if you guys are interested in other Pi related tutorials, that being how to buy or sell Pi or send it to other users, you can check out my full Pi network playlist in the upper right corner, and I will also link it at the end of this video. And now let's continue. So first off, to stake your Pi, you would need to open up your Pi browser so you can access your Pi wallet. Now once your Pi browser loads up, go ahead and select the wallet option, this one right here. Now to unlock your wallet, you would need to paste over your mnemonic phrase right here, so the one that you got once you opened up your wallet initially, or you can unlock it with a fingerprint if you have set it up that way. So I have it set it up with a fingerprint, so I will just select that. And now once you accessed your Pi wallet, here you would be able to see your balance and also the available balance. So the available balance is the balance that you would be able to stake to boost your Pi mining rewards. And you stake your Pi by going to lockups right here. And here, if you have any lockups active right here, you'll be able to see them in this menu. But I don't have any lockups that are under removable or active lockups, so I will create a new one by creating lockup right here, essentially just staking your Pi. Now this is the lockup menu or the staking menu, so here you can select the amount of Pi that you can stake in the first slider, and in the second one you can select the staking duration. So here you can see your available Pi. So let's say that I want to stake 289 Pi, which is the minimum amount that the app allows me. And let's say that I want to stake it for 2 weeks. I will just move this slider to the left. And now this estimate mining rate boost will change. So depending on the lockup amount and the lockup duration, the greater both of those are, the greater your mining boost will be. So once you have your settings configured right here on these both sliders, you can just go ahead and click create right here. And just keep in mind that this will be staked in your wallet. So if you have any Pi staked or locked up in your Pi mining app, that amount is not related to the amount that you're locking up in your Pi wallet. So those are two separate lockups. Now once you have everything configured, here you will be able to see the information about the lockup, and if everything checks out, you can just go ahead and click confirm right here. Now this can take a few moments for everything to load, but just keep waiting and don't exit the app. And there we go. So that's guys how you can lock up a portion of your Pi or stake it to increase your mining rate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the full Pi network playlist right here and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.